gifted this tabletop bird water fountain, so let's talk about it. So this is a cute little bird water fountain that comes with instructions, little decorative rocks, as well as the little cable. And then here's what the little main piece looks like. This is the perfect piece for relaxation. This would also be a really cute and nice gift for an anniversary or a birthday or even a Christmas present. This water fountain is super easy to put together. Once you have all the pieces together, you're going to want to add a ton of water to submerge the pump that's underneath. It is going to take a second, and then the pump is going to kick in, and then the water will start coming out. And then this is what the water fountain looks like on.